Reach out, reach out now.
There's a friend who sees your midnight tears, who hears you cry, calms your fears. When the road gets heavy and you're feeling low, he'll carry your burdens, don't you let go.
He walked with the broken, he stood with the lost. He gave it all, he paid the cost. Reach out like Jesus, call on his name. In the storm or sunshine, he stays the same.
When no one answers and no one comes,
He's a friend that'll never run. Oh, reach out like Jesus. He's a friend who never leaves. You don't need fancy words to pray. Just speak your heart, he'll make a way through every valley, through every test. Jesus shows up when you need him best. He healed the leper, he calmed the sea. He still works miracles. Come and see. Reach out like Jesus. Reach out like Jesus. Call on his name. Call on his name. In the storm or sunshine. In the storm or sunshine. She stays the same. When no one answers and no one comes, he's a friend that'll never run. Oh, reach out like Jesus. He's a friend who never leaves. Reach out, reach out.
even when you're hurt,
Reach out, reach out.
even when you're lost,
Reach out, reach out.
he's been there all along. So call his name and you'll be strong.
Reach out like Jesus.
Call
on his name. Chains will break and hearts will change.
The night is long and hope feels gone.
Jesus holds you, you're not alone. Reach out like Jesus. He's a friend who never leaves. Yeah. Reach out like Jesus. He's a friend who never